Guys, welcome back. In this video I'm just covering up Jasmy price prediction, also Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin just creating some kind of fear in the market right now. Everyone just screaming crazy. Travis Bitcoin reaching approx $15,000 again, 14,000 again. Guys, this is a big opportunity. I'm just looking, not a fear or not any kind of distraction to stopping me to buy a token or buy a coin. No, it's not like this. This is the opportunity I'm just looking right now, because this is a golden pocket when we need to grab it. When this Bitcoin is ultra super low and altcoin almost dead, no, I'm gonna buy the altcoin at this moment. I'm going to buy it. Why? Let's talk about this one. First of all, look at this Jasmy at the bottom, extreme bottom. I told you guys, so when it pumped like crazy, everyone just really mad on me. The drive is, you always talk like a shit one, and when you bought it, it dump it. But this time it's gonna be a skyrocket, and it's giving approx 15 or 20% return. At least we are in a positive portfolio right now in a Jasmy, and not only talk about the Jasmy one, Bitcoin as well. So basically there is a massive amount of support at this price point where we're not giving up, because we are a future millionaire. No gonna stop us to become a future millionaire, because we are holders. We are not day trader. We are not a leverage trader to fear about it. We are going to be liquidate, our fund going to be zero. No, it's not like that. Basically this one is a crazy support area. I'm just looking 0.00423. Everyone just thinking, we always think about like this is a support, but there is a lower support as well, we believe it. So where is the second support? I'm just looking extreme support, which is approx 0.0038, and it consolidated so long at this price point. If you look at over here, this zone is a massive and awesome one, because of it's contained a massive amount of buying opportunity. People bought a huge amount of Jasmy token, and we are going to the moon, because finally it's sipping the candle, not letting the price down anyhow. Not just only talk about the Jasmy one, Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin is a massive amount of fluctuation we see. At least we have some kind of caliber. Yes, we have to buy it at the dip and sell it at a high. So if it fall crazy, so how low it goes, approx 0.0038. I'm not thinking it fall down below from this price point. And if it literally fall crazy and creating a massive amount of fear, like everyone just screaming crazy, we have to sell it, that is the time to golden pocket. But we bought in a spot. We're waiting for approx 2-3 months to watching some kind of uptrend in a Jasmy one, because Holo are doing something good for Jasmy. Let me show you something about more about this Jasmy. Look at the 300 page of this project. As you can see, 21 hours before, happiness discover project phase 3 of demonstration of experiment is now open for application. So basically previously they're launching a PC secure. It's just only one application who gonna protect the customer data, and also from the spyware spams, these antivirus software just like that. But they are discovering a more and more project, and just like they are exceeding the root all over the application market, because this one is the future of Web3. I'm not talking about the graph one. I'm talking about the company performance. I'm talking about the CEO, what CEO is doing right now. So Holo is the best CEO for Jasmy, and I really love it. I appreciate his work, and keep doing. So we would like to demonstrate the nature of the fund token, and they're launching a couple of token, some kind of fan-based token and fund-based token. So they're launching some kind of meme token just like that, spreading all over the market so anyone can buy it, and generating a little bit amount of profit to their pump and dump. And this is a market, manipulated market, and a highly volatile market. We know that. No gonna stop this, applications, because these are totally a decentralized one, not a centralized one, controlled by one entity and controlled by the government. It's totally free from the government, and it's totally independent one. Other one is the watch list have surplus approx 100k. Will be continue to aim to utility token for can be used for many users. At least they have some kind of caliber, and Holo just trying to increase the number of token and increase the utility. So this is quite important for Jasmy team and investor and holder, because I know that it's very hard to deploy this technology in a software because it's very complex. But at least they have a caliber, because he's a best CEO and he have a massive amount of connection with the big hedge fund companies and big whales and big corporate sector. So we don't think about like where the money come from. Everyone know that, because this is a the power of the hierarchy. Bitcoin for crazy, so every altcoin also dumping so hard. So according to the one-day time frame in a Bitcoin is just fluctuate and fluctuate so long, and there is a heavy amount of support area, unbreakable support area. Everyone just living mad on me. Unstoppable and unbreakable support area. Which, what do you talk about, Travis? Is this a fake one or is it a legit one? Because a lot of fake cannon just they form it for some kind of bullshit. It's showing something, but we have some kind of support area which is approx to the $16,100. I'm not thinking it for crazy, because Bitcoin is the future and Bitcoin contains a massive amount of liquidity and it's just increasing a day by day, unstoppable. According to the one-day time frame, it's just making a lot of people fool right now. Everyone just thinking, yeah, it's for crazy. So what happened with this trade? So everyone gonna sell the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is the future. I don't think so. It's for crazy if we grab the Bitcoin at the moment and sell it all-time high. So making it approx of 4x or eventually 3x gain. For approx $36,000, eventually $45,000, because that time it's giving approx 4x return. Unstoppable return we want, and that's why I'm not gonna sell this my Bitcoin. So Bitcoin in a positive right now. I'm not thinking about any kind of scary situations. Just look at over here. In a weekly time frame, finally it's turned it green, and almost a 2 week it's turned it green. So just think about it. If it turned it green, what about the monthly time frame? Obviously monthly time frame also turned it green. Look at over here. They're squeezing the price slightly down and just making a lot of people fool for approximately 3-4 days more. Just creating some kind of panic selling all over the market. They're just thinking, yeah, people just selling and we're grabbing, and then it's giving us some kind of flash up, and when they just increase the value of the token and overvalue the token, they're gonna bought it when it's all-time high. No, a true holder, true investor buying at the dip. So I'm not thinking we have to sell it. I'm not gonna sell my single token. This is my personal opinion, not a financial advice. So basically, I'm just waiting for approx, this price point, approx $21,000 in this month. So might be it take approx 21 days more, or eventually 15 days more. A lot of people just thinking Jasmy fall out crazy and Bitcoin fall down crazy. I'm not thinking. The previously people think like that, but what happened with the Jasmy or Bitcoin? Look at this price. It pump it. So we're waiting for approx $20,000, or I'm waiting for Jasmy reaching approx 1 cent, eventually 2 cent, giving approx a 5x return, even to 2x return. Web3 is the future, so not gonna stop us. We are future millionaires. This thing you have to remember. And if you're new in the channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon. Other thing is that recently, why I'm so positive about Bitcoin, because a couple of days ago, Elon Musk selling approx billions of dollar shares in a Tesla. Why they selling these shares, and what about the money? Where is billions of dollars going right now? So billions of dollars get into the Bitcoin because he's a big fan of Bitcoin. Previously, when he bought a Bitcoin, approx $9,000, 10,000. I don't know which price they bought it, because inciting trading is going on. But there's big announcement they coming up, and I guess why he's selling the Tesla share, due to this bear opportunity. I'm just looking, and he also looking right now. So he bought a Bitcoin for billions of dollars, and that's why the Bitcoin price fluctuated in between. So if the Bitcoin price pumped so harder, so Dogecoin also, and he already gave the signals when he bought a bit. I'm sorry, when he bought Bitcoin, and when he announced I'm going to sell my all shares Bitcoin for crazy, and couple of days ago we see some kind of mega spike in a Dogecoin, This is not a coincidence, guys. This is not a coincidence. I'm just looking. Bitcoin reaching approximately, $26,000, eventually $35,000, and Dogecoin also reaching approximately 22 cent. Crazy. Alright, guys, this is Jasmy and Bitcoin related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. See you next video.